This is the definitive guide to overcoming persistent Microsoft account authentication issues on Thunderbird for Android. I personally encountered this exact problem, spent considerable time exploring various solutions, and ultimately discovered several robust methods that truly work. I am now going to walk you through these proven strategies. First, Method 1, App Refresh targets temporary data corruption or outdated application states. Updating Thunderbird, clearing its cache and data, then force stopping and restarting your Android device effectively resets the app's operational environment. This resolves minor software conflicts or corrupted session tokens causing frequent failures, ensuring you run the latest stable version without stale data hindering logins. Next, Method 2, Account Reconfiguration, addresses potential misconfigurations or corrupted account profiles. Removing and then carefully re-adding your Microsoft account forces a complete re-establishment of connection parameters. This includes re-verifying server settings, credentials, and granting necessary permissions, correcting setup inaccuracies that prevent successful authentication. Moving on to Method 3, System and Security Check, we broaden our scope to device and account security. Updating Android System WebView ensures the embedded browser for authentication is current, while checking OS updates prevents system-level incompatibilities. Disabling battery optimization for Thunderbird prevents Android from prematurely killing background processes vital for maintaining authentication. Reviewing Microsoft account security and trying a different network helps rule out external access restrictions or network blockages. Finally, Method 4, Advanced Troubleshooting offers deeper solutions. Generating a new Microsoft app password, if your account security allows, provides a unique credential that can bypass specific authentication issues, especially with two-factor authentication. As a last resort, backing up and then completely reinstalling Thunderbird ensures a clean slate, eliminating deeply embedded software issues preventing stable Microsoft account access on your Android device.